Hello everybody, welcome back to SV Handmaids, and this is Shubha here. So in our today's episode, we are going to see how to make this beautiful graduation card. So let's open up our Cricut app, and this is our canvas. So since I already searched, you see the pictures here, we will try to do that again. So on the search bar, we type whatever picture we want. In this case, it's going to be graduation. So when I do that, it's going to show all the pictures available, including the paid ones, which you have to pay and purchase. But for now, we will try to use the free ones available. So we can sort it out. So on the next screen, you see a funnel shape on the top right. That is the filter. So there you select the free option. So it's going to sort out all the free images for you. So I'm going to select the graduation cap and scroll. Now this is onto your canvas. Now I'm planning to do a 3x5 card. So I'll adjust my picture according to that. So this is going to be a cutout which I am going to paste on top of my 3x5 card. So we will also try to cut out the card from the machine. So before that, I'll move this down to the canvas, and then we will insert a card too. So insert a image. Same thing, we will select the free option. And we will take a very simple card. So these are all the different cards available. But I am going to cut out a very simple card and then paste my grad cap onto the plain card. So since I was not satisfied with any of these, there's a lot of designs available for us to choose from. It depends on for what occasion we are going to give it. And this I'm trying to make it for my son. He just finished his graduation. So I thought I'll make him a card myself. So after scrolling through all, I select the simple one. So it comes with the envelope. So we can position and size it according to our card size. So let me try to rotate this. So I will save on the cardstock. You have to be very mindful of the measurements. So whatever output you need, accordingly we have to adjust on the canvas also. Now let's try to place our design on top of our card. These are our layers. So here we arrange our layers here. So I'm trying to bring the design on top of my card so that it's easier to position it. So I'm trying to align the top of the hat with the middle fold. Once we are satisfied with the position, now we can add the text congratulations below the cap. We can adjust the size according to the space available. Now our text is in the cut option. We have to change that to a writing font. Otherwise the system will cut out the words congratulations. We don't want that. So we have to change it to a write option. So select draw from here. So it will automatically select the pen. So if you want to write in color, you have to use the respective colored pen to make your writing in color. So I have changed it to draw. And make sure it is in a writing font. So the writing style. Now these are the cutting mats. So it's going to automatically sort out your pictures, how you are going to cut it. So some portions will be cut in the yellow and these two in the black mat. So you can add your colored cardstock according to what it says. So now we select our accessory, that is a machine number. Each machine has a unique number. So once the system detects it, you just select it and then you set the material. So we are going to use medium cardstock. So these are preset options they have given here. So whatever material you use, accordingly you select the options. So it's going to adjust the blade pressure automatically for you. So now I already cut out the yellow portion and then we remove our parts. So this is the scroll that is cut in yellow and the tassel. Now we already set the black cardstock on the mat and I've already given the command to cut, and the machine is now cutting out the black portion. So the cap, the base and the knot has been cut now. So we will just try to remove it from our mat. So there we have the bow and our cap ready. Now we will try to cut out the envelope. So I'm using a regular printer paper from the envelope. I don't use the cardstock. So when you use the printer paper, accordingly in the cutting, before you click on go, you have to change the paper to copy paper. So the blade pressure will be low. So now our envelope is done. So using a scoring tool, we will just fold the envelope and then we glue everything together. Our last portion is the blue base. So my card is going to be in blue color. So this is our base 3x5 card. So our card is ready. So now we will also see how to make the Cricut write for us. So let me first insert the pen here. And from the app, when you click go, the Cricut is going to write it. So you can use any kind of any colors here. I'm using the black one. So Cricut has its own set of different colors available. The black one came along with the machine, so I'm trying to use that pen here. You cannot use any other ordinary pens in this because the adapter is made exactly to fit the Cricut pens. So don't try to push in any other pens. You might break the adapter. So let me take it closer. Now you can see it writing. Doesn't it look cool? And so it's done now. And envelope and all the pieces are ready. Now we will see how to assemble them. So first we take the base, and then that's the scroll. I use glue and then I try to glue them down onto the base. Try to add glue to all the thin portions of your cutout. And that's the ribbon on the top. It's possible to directly write on the card, but actually I try to make it into a separate cardstock, and then I fuzzy cut, and then I am pasting it down onto my main card. It's possible to do it directly on the card also. So using a scoring board, just make the envelope and glue all the sides.